I choose Brooklyn Tech for its wide range of opportunities it provides for its students. With 19 majors and a large selection of advanced placement courses, students will be more than ready to head into higher education once they graduate from Brooklyn Tech. Whether you're interested in science, math, the humanities, or arts, there is something here for everyone at Brooklyn Tech.
So, as an 8th grader, I decided to choose Brooklyn Tech because I knew that this school offered so many opportunities. Just looking at the list, there were so many clubs and opportunities offered here. We actually have one of the largest AP programs in the country, and I knew going in that, like, if I wanted to take a class or if I wanted to participate in a club, then this would be the school to do it in. I also learned that this school is in a very great location. I found that downtown Brooklyn is a very active community. There are so many buildings going. There are so many shops, so many parks, and so much activity happening, and it's also close to so many subway lines that you can basically go from the school to any like internship or any job that you have, and it won't take that long. What I also appreciate is that the school's location makes it very central to the city, so you can basically get anywhere very easily.
Brooklyn Tech is a new school for all freshmen. Freshmen will be taking their time getting to know their teachers, making new friends, and getting used to the new and rigorous classwork. And in general, getting used to Brooklyn Tech.
Day in the life of a freshman is very interesting because you're navigating this brand new place, but I think the school does a very good job at making sure that freshmen are able to transfer in. So the first thing you'll notice is, you'll walk into the auditorium and you'll see how massive and grand it is. And you'll be given your schedule and you'll get to go to each classroom and meet each one of your teachers. And Brooklyn Tech has some amazing teachers who are like, some of the best. They know exactly what they're teaching, and they'll make sure that you pass whatever test or whatever subject matter you need to learn. They'll also be there to guide you through and help give you advice. You'll also be able to meet people like your guidance counselor during the first few days, get to see the cafeteria, all the views that the school has, all the activities that we have to offer. All of that you'll get to explore in the first week, and it'll be a lot of fun because you'll really get to become ingrained in the school community.
At the end of the school day, you will have the opportunity to stay in clubs with your friends. Brooklyn Tech has over 100 clubs for you to join, or you can explore the rich neighborhood around Brooklyn Tech.
The thing that stands out the most to me at Tech is the fact that as much as there is importance on academic life, there's also an importance on life beyond that. From the teams and like basketball and soccer, as well as the hundreds of clubs that we have, and the facilities there in place. There's almost an entire floor to the library.
Now, the curriculum at Brooklyn Tech is very rigorous. It's one of the most rigorous in the city, and it's meant to really prepare you for college-level work. And I think that this really shows in how the transition from middle school to high school plays out. I think there's a lot of teachers who will support you and help you transition from like the levels of work you had in middle school compared to what you'll have in high school, and they'll help you be more consistent, do your work on time. You'll also have guidance counselors to communicate with, and the school offers tons of tutoring opportunities, whether it's like tutoring clubs, you have like tutoring during lunch, and I, for example, have gone to tutoring sometimes to get help on subjects that I was a bit iffy on, and it's helped me catch up during freshman year.
For me personally, the biggest difference between middle school and high school was the contrasting student body sizes. Something that has really helped me was freshman advisory. It really made me feel connected to the community at Tech. Not only do we engage in fun activities within the classroom, but sometimes we take a trip across the street to Fort Greene Park. There, we experience the beauty of the Fort Greene neighborhood along with our fellow classmates. My favorite part of Brooklyn Tech as a freshman will be the ample opportunities provided at every corner of the building. While having 6,000 students may seem foreign at first, you will get to experience the diverse communities within our school. There are so many interesting events that occur on a daily basis, and Tech offers over 100 clubs and teams for you to join. There is something to fit everyone's interests, no matter how big or small.
My favorite part of Brooklyn Tech has been the community, the environment, and the opportunities I've been given. Like, there have been so many clubs at the school, whether it's student government or debate, where I've been able to really participate, get amazing awards, but I've also really been able to express myself, whether it's like through making art in the art club or participating in the architecture club. I think those are also opportunities for me to express myself and just have fun at the school. In addition, again, the neighborhood of the school is just, it's a really great neighborhood. It's rising, and I think that that's also fun because I remember before the pandemic, like I would leave school and I would go to the store, I would go shopping with my friends, or to the park, or to the river, and it would all be very close, very easy to find. You could easily go to Manhattan and just escape for a long time. I also like the bunch of resources that the school gives, being able to go to the library, being able to go to various rooms, get academic textbooks, like advanced microscopes, things like that are things at Brooklyn Tech that I think make it unique and stand out. And those are things that I really appreciate because it makes me love the school and the different resources that it offers to its students.
My favorite aspect of tech is the creative freedom tech gives you to express who you really are. Many students at tech find that they're really meant to be an artist, they're meant to be a doctor, they're meant to be a lawyer, they're meant to be an engineer, or they're meant to be a scientist, among others, of course.
Not to mention the cultural and communal clubs like the Black Student Union and Aspira that are there to help student life. Tech is here to help the student body, and that's why I love it.